Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to activate the steam function on your Beko washing machine. So, why use this function? The steam program helps to reduce wrinkles and make ironing easier, especially for a small load of lightly soiled cotton, synthetic, or mixed laundry. Let's get started. First, turn on your washing machine. Then, select the washing program you want to use. You can pick any program that supports steam. Once you've selected the program, find the steam button on your Beko washing machine, then press and hold it for about 3 seconds. You'll see a countdown on the display, 3, 2, 1, and then the steam icon will appear on the screen. That means the steam function is activated. Now everything is set, just press start and let the machine do the rest. And that's it! You successfully activated the steam function on your Beko washing machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.